Cleaning the printer. Before beginning, remove all media and ribbon. Clean the roll holders and frame using a lint-free wipe and isopropyl alcohol. Wipe the areas thoroughly to remove all paper dust and accumulated adhesive. Clean the ribbon path on either side of the print head. Use a cotton swab moistened with alcohol to clean off any adhesive buildup on the media guides, roll holders, and other areas. Clean the media sensors using compressed air. For printers with the dispenser option, open the door and clean the rollers. Clean the media sensors using compressed air. The outside of the printer may be cleaned using solutions common to the healthcare industry, including isopropyl alcohol and water.